I just got hired to build IKEA furniture and almost made $150 in about 5 hours. Hey guys, what's going on? We're back at it with another TaskRabbit video. Today's goal is furniture assembly. The client wanted me to assemble two things, one of which was basically like a TV stand that he wanted to later mount under his TV in his room. The second thing that he wanted to build was like almost like a cabinet used to make like a TV display stand thing for his daughter in her room. So basically I arrived at 9 a.m. and I got started on the furniture assembly right away. That took a couple hours, but it was pretty easy, pretty self-explanatory. Once I finished with that, the client wanted me to organize his garage. So some things needed to go to Goodwill for donation, other things needed to go to the trash, and other things just needed to be cleaned so that it either could be storage or sent to somebody else. As you can see, I literally just got the hose, got a spray bottle, and got like a scrub, and I just scrubbed everything. I sprayed it down and scrubbed everything. Once I finished all of that, I basically was done around 2:30 p.m. Which came out to about like 5 hours and 15 minutes of work. My furniture assembly rate at the moment was $25 an hour. So if you do the math, 5 hours and 15 minutes times $25 an hour came out to $131.25. He didn't end up giving me a 5-star review or end up giving me a tip, which was a little bit of a bummer. Nonetheless, it was a good experience because we were just discussing a whole bunch of other projects and tasks that he needed me to complete. So this was definitely the start of a nice relationship where I got a lot of work after that. But that's pretty much it. Keep hustling, keep riding, stay safe. Peace.